We are meeting, we're like having a dinner with Nikki Tutorials tonight. Oh my god, look at this, look at this, look at this. I haven't really updated you, but I'm with these two. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I look a little bit different, it's because today I only have concealer under my eyes, mascara on my top lashes, and Benefit Gimme Brow, and that's the only makeup that I've put on today because I have been away for the past week. I was in Dorset for my cousin's wedding, and then basically my family stayed down there for a holiday for like a week, and I've just driven back today. I've driven for like 4 hours maybe, and I just couldn't really be bothered to put my makeup on when I got home, so I thought I would just do it fresh-faced. So basically I got home to all of this and I thought that I was gonna unbox it anyway. Like, I was just gonna sit there and unpackage it like I normally would, but I thought I may as well film it because I have no idea what is in these packages, and I thought it would be really fun to open them on camera because then you guys can see what I've got and see like what you want me to test and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I've got my scissors, I've got my little scalpel box cutter thing, and we're gonna dig in. Let's do this one. Okay, this one, I mean, I probably shouldn't shake it if it's makeup, but like... Okay, it's a box. Oh, didn't move that to hit the camera. Wait, which way does this open? Ugh, there we go. Ooh! Oh my goodness, this one is from Maybelline, and I literally had no idea that they were coming out with this. It's a lash serum. I've actually been testing a lash serum for the past kind of like month, but at this point I haven't like used it enough yet to tell if it's actually working. At the moment I feel like it hasn't done that much. This one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Boosting Serum. How interesting is that? Okay, and it's got a picture of this model that's got like the most amazing fluffy lashes I've ever seen. It says to apply this to your bare lashes morning and night. Also, what's in this? There's then a little box like, oh yes! They've sent a lash serum like this, and then there's this thing, which, okay guys, look at this. Oh my god. Maybelline, do you want to be any more extra? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty cool. And one good thing is it is made out of paper, so this will be able to be recycled, but I mean, it's a little bit extra for just a mascara and a lash serum. But I haven't had the Maybelline Lash Sensational in ages. I used to love this mascara, but I never repurchased it just because I thought I had so many other mascaras to use. But I'm really happy that I finally have another one of these, and there's another lash serum in here, so maybe I would give one away. Ooh, okay, it's basically just like a little fuzzy short mascara wand, and I guess you just brush this through your lashes. The stuff that I don't keep in this video I'm going to be putting in my giveaway box, and then at some point soon I'm going to do a massive giveaway. Thank you so much, Maybelline. I can't wait to try it, and I will have to report back to see if it actually works. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have this envelope. Okay, that sounds like something is loose in the bag. Ooh, so it's from Nude Sticks, and whatever this is, it says that it's launching in September 2018. There's a bag, a makeup bag with all these like embroidered things on it. So Nude Sticks is basically a brand where they make like sticks of makeup. They have like sticks for your eyes, sticks for your lips, sticks for your cheeks and stuff like that. And this is a set called the Soft Smoky Babe. 2 lip and cheek pencils. There's 4 eye pencils. And then what is this? Oh, okay, that's just the sharpeners. So you get 4 different eye pencils and 2 lip and cheek pencils, which I actually think is quite cute. It also has a mirror in here, so I guess you could like use this for traveling. However, I don't use cream eyeshadows that often. Like, the only time I really use cream eyeshadow is if I use it as a, oh my god, is if I use it as like a base for something else. But if you want something really quick and easy to just like throw on your eyes and then blend out and you're into your cream eyeshadows, then I feel like that would be like a nice little present or something. Oh my god, I could almost say Christmas present. We're getting into September, then we've just got October, November, and then it's December. It's literally Christmas in like a few months. Okay, moving on to the next one. I know this is from Ofra because it's got their logo on it, and I have a feeling I might know what this is. I could be completely wrong, but I have a feeling this could be the new Nikki Tutorials collection. If it is, I'm going to die. Oh wait, it has one of these things. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try that again. Oh my god! Look what it says. Wait, has she done 2 different ones? I thought there was just 1 highlighter. So Nikki Tutorials has got a new collection with Ofra. By the way, I forgot to say, please ignore my missing fingernail. So she's got one called Cloud9 and one called Space Baby. From the looks of it, one of them's pink and one of them's blue. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really wear like colourful highlighters anymore. I feel like they were kind of a trend of like a couple of years ago, but I am definitely going to be giving these a try because I love Nikki, I love Ofra, their formula is insane. This one is called Cloud9. Oh my god, that actually looks so pretty. Okay, this one's like a duochrome pinky sort of colour. Can you guys see that? And then the other one, what was it called? Space Baby, I think. This one is like a bluey sort of colour, which to be honest, I don't really think I would wear. But I'm just going to swatch it anyway. Okay, there we go. Those are the two highlighters. Ooh, it's super exciting though. I definitely want to try them like on my actual face instead of just my hand. But Ofra, thank you so much for sending these. Moving on, we have a really small little parcel here. I have no idea where this is from, but the box is a bit beaten up, so I'm guessing this is from America. I often get like parcels in these type of boxes that have come from the States. So my guess is it might be from Urban Decay. 10 ways to show off your bold side. Ooh. Oh my god, that is the cutest little box. This says hashtag lipstick is my vice, and it's got 10 of their Vice lipsticks in, but they're all the kind of like crazy shades. So there's some of the darker ones, there's purple, there's a bright pink, and it says on the little card, nothing says I'm doing me today better than a purple lip, so it's no surprise we have very serious colour crush on these shades from our Vice lipstick lineup. Play around with hand-picked lippies from the collection from sheer to mega matte, including Wendy's current fave, Pandemonium. She rocks at Urban Decay headquarters on the daily and loves to pair it with a neutral eye look. Okay, so I don't need all of these lipsticks. Again, I'm definitely going to be putting some of these in my next giveaway, but there are a couple that I like the look of. Let's have a look at this one. After Dark. Ooh, look at this one. That really reminds me of like MAC Rebel. It really seriously reminds me of MAC Rebel. That one's called After Dark. Oh, that's going to be such a pretty shade for like autumn. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of really excited that it's nearly autumn. Oh, this one is called Hex. Oh, I like the look of this one. Okay, that one there is Hex. It's more of like a reddy burgundy colour. Oh, I used to love shades like this in the autumn. I am going to try my best this autumn winter to try and wear some like colours on my lips that aren't nudes. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. That is so nice of you. Okay, I'm going to do this really small one. It's really small and really light. Shut up. I have never even heard of this brand. It's by a brand called Rosalique, and it says 3-in-1 anti-redness miracle formula with SPF 25. That sounds good. I like a good SPF, and yeah, like I said, I've literally never heard of this brand before. Repeat if needed for a deeper colour. Use daily for around 8 weeks for full treatment and protective effect. What the heck? Apparently it's supposed to like improve redness over time, and it also says it can be used as a foundation and concealer. What? It's green. If I put that on my face, I'm gonna be looking like Shrek. Wait, let me show you on this hand. Can you see that? It comes out green and then you rub it in and then it literally goes like Shrek colour. But I'm definitely willing to give it a try. Okay, it kind of blended into my skin tone. I'm definitely willing to give that a try. Maybe I'll have to give it a test and let you guys know what I think. Okay, let's do the big one because it's just sitting here being annoying and I want to know what's in it. So I'm going to get out my handy blade. Oh, I can't show you all of this stuff. Oh crap, this is a big box of stuff on Makeup Revolution, but it's all like stuff that's new. I don't think they've announced these yet, but boy is this some cool looking stuff. If I give you guys a sneak peek of this, I will get into major trouble, but I'm just going to unwrap the stuff that's in bubble wrap to see if this is like new stuff. Okay, that one's also a secret. Right, last one. I feel like this might be the skincare. Yay! Okay, this is actually stuff that I can show you because I believe it's out today as I'm filming this. Is it? I'm pretty sure it is. Hyaluronic acid, yes! That sounds really scary, but like if you Google hyaluronic acid, it's actually like really good stuff for your skin. The packaging for these, I have to say, is very sleek. It looks kind of almost high-end. It's black and then it's got this baby pink metallic strip going on it. And then the bottles are kind of frosted glass with this rose gold baby pink metallic thing, and then the label is matte white. So they've got a hyaluronic acid, which is basically like, it's really good for moisturizing your skin. I use hyaluronic acid like every single day, so I'm really excited to try that one. They have a 10% matrixyl, which honestly I have no idea, but it says that it helps reduce the look of static and dynamic wrinkles, and it has plumping and hydrating properties, which I mean sounds good. There is the 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc, which says helps reduce the look of blemishes and pores and helps soothe and calm dry skin. There is a multi-peptide serum. There is a quinoa night peel, which I've got 2 of, which says it's a gentle night peeling serum. Helps boost skin radiance and encourages a smooth skin texture. And all of these are vegan and cruelty free, which is pretty cool. So yeah, these are all of Revolution's new skincare bits. Obviously I can't really swatch them because they're all like clear, so it wouldn't really make any sense, but if you guys want to get your hands on some new skincare, I think it's pretty affordable as well, and I think it's on their website as of today. So thank you, Revolution. I can't wait to try them. Probably shouldn't have just thrown them into the box. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you guys is also PR, but this isn't technically an unboxing, it's an unbagging. I got this bag of stuff from Jamie Genevieve and Patricia Bright's launch the other day. They've just come out with lipsticks with MAC, which is so exciting, and I want to give them a massive congratulations. I think it is so cool that so many YouTubers at the moment have come out with like products in collaboration with brands, which I just think is awesome, and like especially for them to launch something with MAC, I feel like that's a big deal. If you guys follow my Instagram, you would have seen my stories from the night, but I have both of the lipsticks here. Jamie's one is a light brown sort of nude, which is like my favorite color ever. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wait, let me just do a swatch. That is that one there. It's very pale. Oh, I just love the smell so much. But I know that Jamie wears it with a darker lip liner, and I just wear this by itself. It's such a perfect nude for me. So that is Jamie's lipstick with MAC, which is so cool. The box, the box is also really pretty. Same with Patricia's. The boxes of these are so pretty. But Patricia's one is like a dark chocolatey brown. It looks like this, and for me, I think this is going to be gorgeous in the autumn winter. It looks like that. It's very dark, but it's like a really nice vampy brown with like a hint of red. And Patricia's one is a matte finish. Jamie's one is a satin finish. They are both gorgeous. And then there is a MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in a big bottle. To be honest, I haven't really tested it, so I should probably like actually give it a try and see if I like it. And then the final couple of bits I did actually unpackage when I came home. Basically, my cousin's wedding was on the Saturday. I came home on the Sunday and Monday to like get some stuff done. And then I went back to Dorset, so I did unpackage this stuff when I was home on the Sunday. The first one is a box from Nails Inc, and they've got some new colours coming out, which look very autumnal. And these are going to be available 24th of August at QVC. This looks like the most Christmassy colour ever. It's called Crushing on Rubies, and it's like a metallic cranberry colour that is gorgeous. There is a kind of creamy purple colour called The Royal Attraction. There's a dark green called Girls Got Goals. It looks kind of black on camera, but it is green. There's then this kind of rose gold bronze colour called Don't Touch Me, I'm Precious, which looks like this. And then the final one is called Don't Rain on My Parade, but rain is spelled like rain as in like rain royalty, and it looks like this. So those all look really pretty, and they're all inspired by jewels. And then the final package comes in a very shiny envelope, and this is from Holler and Glow, which is a brand that you can get in Primark. There's some bath bombs which smell really nice. This one is a Fruit Loop bath fizzer, which is shaped like a pineapple. They've got a Rainbow Rules one, which is like a rainbow slice, which looks like a rainbow watermelon, which is really cute. They've got a Rainbow Chaser, which is a unicorn, and then this one is called High Flyer, which is like a love heart with wings. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to bath bombs, so I can't use any of these, so again, I'll probably be giving them away. These are a Control Alt Sleep Hydrating Overnight Mask. That is what my skin needs right now. They then have 2 sets of nail polishes, which are, one of them is a purple theme. Oh no, my camera's about to run out. And the other one is kind of blues and silvers. And then the final thing in here is some metallic tattoos, tattoo transfers. These ones are white, these ones are shiny. So guys, that is everything from this giant PR unboxing, and I just want to say a massive thank you to all of the brands that have sent me stuff. Like, it's completely unnecessary, but thank you so much. I will try as much of this stuff as I can, and then the stuff that I don't use I will be putting in my giveaway box, which at the moment is huge. Like, I'm slowly working my way through it, like giving stuff to family and friends and then doing giveaways for you guys. Just before I go, I'm gonna do question of the day. Question of the day comes from Tasmin Pritchard, and she said, what did you think about Shane's series on Jeffree Star? I honestly thought it was incredible. I feel like Shane is just the best YouTuber in the world. Like, I'm not even joking. He is my #1 favorite YouTuber of all time. Like, I used to watch him back in the day when he used to make, like, he had all his different characters and like Shane and Friends and stuff like that, and when he did like music videos and stuff. And yeah, I just think all of his new series have been so incredible, and I really feel like, okay, my thoughts on it. I feel like he needs his own show, like his own Netflix show, but then at the same time, I don't want him to leave YouTube and move on to bigger things, but then that's probably just me being selfish because I want him to still keep posting videos. But yeah, I thought the series was so interesting. I was literally so like hooked into it, and just seeing all the behind the scenes of like Jeffree's brand and everything, like it was literally mind-blowing. Like the whole thing I just thought was so good and so entertaining, and if you guys haven't seen it, I would highly recommend it. But yeah, if you guys want to see me test out any of the items that I've mentioned in this video, let me know in the comments. And also, if you want to be question of the day, leave me a comment down below or a question down below using the hashtag question of the day, and I might answer it in my next video. I really hope you guys have an amazing bank holiday weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!